Yes, so welcome back. Big up to all of my viewers and subscribers who are going, my people. Yeah, I'm from on the city thumbnail and the title. Then you already know what is on the agenda today. So consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah, man, just like up the video now. Yeah, and also share up the content so that others can be in the know. But you know how we do it thing over here. You see me? We just gonna jump in at the intro fast and come right back to the video. So no, don't go nowhere. We soon forward.
I could I never forget where me come from. No matter what me do, me a born Jamaican.
Yes, so now people, before we jump into the Vybz Kartel situation and his concert release date, yeah, I just want to give a big up to Masicka, yes, I say, because the artist still a put in the work. So basically, dancehall artist Masicka received a prestigious billboard plaque for his album, yes, I say, and that album is titled Generation of King. The album has become the most purchased album, topping the Apple Music album chart in 16 different countries, people. So you don't know, big up to Masicka for this. You see me, I say, yeah, you don't know one more milestone that crossed. You see me, I say, people, and we all know say Masicka is the artist where, you see me, I say, the man they ever put in the work, no doubt. So you don't know, shout out and big up to Masicka. So now, people, Vybz Kartel concert date has been released. You see me, I say, and basically, people, you know, a couple days ago, the artist, they come on the internet and make the people them know, say, him a go keep him concert in December. You see me, I say.
Concert, the first show in December. And I go on the exact date yet, but save on the money. Selling a house, selling a car if possible, selling an organ, them want kidney a China.
And him even ask the people them which date them feel are the best date in December for him keep the concert.
Gaza Nation, you know some day a while ago I drive with my fiance. We're pretty like Beyonce. And Scatter call me. And I said, teacher, I want a name for the show. And I say, you know, so where I get the fans them involved, because that problem here, I got easier to solve. So, me I link up right now, Gaza Nation, and I say to him, say, me, Scatter, and Joe, we need a name for the December show. So just put an idea in the comments below. Duh?
Oh.
And the whole internet did say at the end of the day, say any show where I go keep in December, I go kind of get knocked because I don't know, say Vybz Kartel show, I go take the whole December, whether mid-December or whatsoever. You see me, I say, even Laing did come out and Laing did cheer him opinion on it, and basically people, him never really did like it for no say you're rare, because in a one part him I say, yo, as a business personnel, you know, Vybz Kartel must kind of think where I do because it's not good for business and baiting. You see me I say, and him even say, yo, him wish Vybz Kartel the best and baiting. You see me I say, people. But basically right now Vybz Kartel has released the date. You see me I say, yeah, Vybz Kartel and even Scatterburrell post a little video this morning with Vybz Kartel signed the contract and baiting with Joe Bogdanovich. You see me I say, and the release date is December the 31, people. You see me I say, and people, it is being alleged that Joe Bogdanovich is paying Vybz Kartel over $600 million for this contract deal. You see me I say, but we all know, so from the artist did come out, the artist did done make a talk and say, yo, it is going to be a hefty sum to sign him. You see me I say, people. And basically at the end of the day, people, when we want to tell me down into the comment section what you really think about this release date, December the 31. You feel like say at the end of the day it going to affect thing in a certain way or what? Drop on your thoughts down into the comment section and make we discuss it. You see me as a people. But basically you don't know, say yeah, it is going to be great end of year. You see me I say, people, and we all know so the concert are gonna last a couple of days. You see me I say, it not really specify how much days yet, etc. And you don't know, say, as what me say, the contract is signed and sealed. You see me I say, so you don't know, big up to Vybz Kartel concert. Me don't say enough people are go borrow loan and baiting, but people always remember spend wisely. You see me I say, yeah, and basically people, while we are on the Vybz Kartel topic, yeah, I want to share this interview, you see me I say, with Isat Buchanan and Vybz Kartel and even Busta Rhymes join the live people. Yeah, and basically Busta Rhymes I give Vybz Kartel in praise and in big up people, and even I make Vybz Kartel know say at the end of the day Vybz Kartel inspire him to the fullest. You see me I say, and basically him even make Vybz Kartel know say the whole of the big entertainers them are foreign look up to him with a high esteem. You see me I say people, and basically him even name out a couple of Vybz Kartel songs them where I'm favorite. Basically him name out him catalog people, and we all know say Busta Rhymes, yeah, Busta Rhymes is a man who love the Jamaican culture. Busta Rhymes is also a half Jamaican, and Busta Rhymes is a man where I think him come visit Vybz Kartel in a prison about 2 times already. You see me I say, so you know say them a come back from way back when. You see me I say, so Busta Rhymes is directly like a long time fan of Vybz Kartel. You see me I say, and the two artists them are linked from a longer time. Even Isat Buchanan brought up the topic, and Isat Buchanan I said Vybz Kartel I say at the end of the day him want take dancehall to the levels where Afrobeats there right now. You see me I say, and him I say in order for him do that, him have to start do some collab with like Busta Rhymes, the Nicki Minaj and the Cardi B them and support. You see me I say, and Busta Rhymes also share him intake on that. But people hear what you see, instead of me I go there tell you everything what I go on my video. Me I go make you check it out for yourself. It's a very nice reasoning people. Yeah, I want to take in the whole of the video yeah, and tell me what you think about it down into the comment section.
You're rich, teacher, you're rich.
Yeah, dealing with daddy.
You know what the thing said, man, nothing not change. We have fight the war until the war end, and the war end now, so it's a new blood clot victory lap where we have to celebrate now, because you're rich.
Yeah, man.
Why, I'm just glad to know say you survive. We tell enough time when we talk different time how you was a man where enough different situation we look upon you and pull from you for inspiration, you know.
Yeah, man.
We look to you as a man, as a resource to revitalize the vibe and the energy we have made certain way you go through shit. And sometimes as we go through shit and we're on this side of the world still, why you go through where you go through, I'm gonna talk to you. And when I talk to you sometimes I just can't believe how your energy is so up and you're strong and you just always have a perspective on the situation where you just know and you just believe and you're just convinced that you're going to see the day when you can't say, yo, I'm going to survive this, I'm going to get through this. And sometimes you just sit up on the phone in certain moments when I talk to you. I have to give you the strength too. When I come off of the phone, sometimes I just say to myself, boy, this thing y'all look like they might try to create every roadblock where them can possibly create. And sometimes I just feel aware. And then I talk to you again and then you just lift me up again. So I just want you to know that you was a different kind of I don't even know what to describe you, cause I don't know nothing like you.
Alien!
Alien, you know. You're one of none, you know. Nothing like you before you, during you, nor after you, and
General.
Just proud of you and proud of the family, and give the family everything we can give them, and them a grow successful little laddie and little vibes and your grandpicnic them and everybody. You know? Just everybody, me just glad for she said them can't get next to you again and the family reunite and just proud of you, dada.
I show dada. Respect me G man, and I know that man. Respect man.
Yeah man, from the beginning, with debut, when now I left you.
I'm there now.
And I know some incredible history where we can make together now, Godfather.
Yeah. Now is the time, you know. God is the time, you know.
Yeah, man, now is the time. Now is the time.
After this story, coming to check you know. After this story, we jumping on one plane and come check the
Oh, you mean, man, that is a must flip star, man.
Yeah, man, you know that. You are the first stop, you know. Like it coming like you're the last tour date in the Panapoya. Yeah. So when we done this show the night before, we'll get on a plane and come check you, you know, boss.
Yeah, man, me there, man, me and the rest there, man. You know what things, man.
No doubt. And yo, big up yourself, Mr. Isat Buchanan, because we already know cartel prices are price now when nobody can reach, right? But we know your price from yesterday and not today's price, you know. So, yeah, man. History make with this. History make with you. You done make history long time, but this is a different kind from the inception of Jamaica. nothing like this never exists. And nothing like this would even be possible to defeat if it was probably anybody else.
I true, man. I dream team, man. I want Isat and one world boss, man.
Yeah, man. I'm one world boss. Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
That's
yeah,
it,
man.
But
That's the greatest for real, yeah.
Vybz just say in terms of taking dancehall to the next level and the importance of the international appeal. What is your comment? Because before you joined, he said that he would have to work with the Bustas and the Nicki Minaj and the Cardi B's to bring reggae, to bring dancehall back to where Afrobeats is now. What's your thought on that?
I agree 1,000,000% with Kartel when it comes to that. And when I had the opportunity to work with Kartel before him go through the situation, my whole vision and intention as a supporter and a fan and as a resource to Kartel was also to be a conduit to him and his ability to connect with all of the artists where they are foreign. And the most obvious thing is how so much artists where they are foreign, we are big artists, all of the biggest artists, them love Kartel, them rate Kartel, them hold them in the highest regard. So it's not even about, it has to, or it should be the thing that he's going to do. It is already preordained that him are going to do that because every one of the artists, they want to work with him too. Yep. You know what I'm saying? So it's like, it's just God on time, like you said. When him ready, and when them ready, and him feel them have the song, then when him feel good about every move I go get a successful execution in order to go play out. And as long as me about, cause Adaza was saying, anything Kartel need, anything Kartel need, I'm gonna make sure nobody can play with it when it comes to, especially the international side, because one thing can't dispute is Busta Rhymes one of the godfather for a long time in anything concerning international, you know.
Yeah, man,
yes,
we know that.
Factual.
Yeah, so anything Kartel need, red carpet, I go roll out for him anytime, anywhere, anyhow, anywhere. So that's what the thing said.
Yes.
Yeah.
Right.
Facts only. And we're not cap over your side, and we're not in
No, man, no capping, Busta. Remember from we are youth, we are watching you lock the world, you know.
Yeah,
I'm tell you that already, you know.
We drive with Vybz.
Anyway, context matters.
Oh,
Hold on, yeah.
What's that?
Context matters. Before you leave, you had 1 hour to let us. You say you're gonna bring a catalog.
All right, me go give you my catalog now.
Yes.
Yeah.
Clocks 1 and 2. Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
Freaky girl. Boom.
Yes.
Yes.
Ramping shop.
Slap wet.
Yes.
Brooklyn. People dead.
Man, come now.
Split star,
Hold on a minute now. Summertime.
How you mean?
Yeah.
Fever.
Yeah.
Blood clot.
Love them.
Yes.
And to the girl, them take body tune, you know.
How you mean?
Yeah. Classic.
Yeah, them tune there.
Yeah.
And there's a, me don't know the name of the song, but there's one song.
Yeah.
When me see Kartel post on Instagram, probably last year, me see the song.
Yeah.
And it's like when I'm a DJ, it's like a speed rap thing where I deal with it. I can't remember the name of the song.
Jump on the
It's
beat.
like, yeah, go bad, and you're not stop, and you're not breathing, you know. You're just a
Yeah.
machine gun lyrically. I'm saying to myself, boy, it's an inspiration when you give me, you know, cause me never do a speed rap in patois, you know.
Yeah.
But that's that tune that inspire me to do something with YG Marley, and I'm gonna tell you right now, it not released yet, but me just do something with YG Marley.
Yeah.
And me pull my inspiration from that tune there where you post on Instagram and do my first speed rap, you know. In
Yeah. Your first speed rap in a patois. Your first speed rap in a patois. Yeah.
Yeah, man. First speed rap in a patois. I never done that before. I see your thing, so I just want you to know you still inspire me from from before you even reach home for years, but me finally get to execute it right. I'm gonna send it after Isat and make you hear it, so you can't tell me say
Vybz,
if me is it official.
He inspired I made the boom boom happy. I made the boom boom smile.
Big tune. Big tune.
Yeah man, it's another song where Spliff him write the hook for me for a song.
Yeah.
And him get a girl to sing it and I saw the hook go. And they tell me to release it for the next album. And I tell me say, are you inspired that it because
Yeah man. That's cool man, Spliff man. You know things like that. Yeah man.
Yeah man, so we just want to heal you up again. World boss,
Daddy.
grateful,
Yeah,
Godfather, teacher, I'm glad you reach and I'm going to link up as I come off of the show. I'm going to post the footage, and make sure you see that. And then we're going to link up sooner than later. Yes, sir?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, my general, man. Bless up yourself, man.
Bless up yourself, manners and respect and honor, Dada.
Welcome home.
Right.
Big up, welcome home, yo. Love always.
Yeah, man. Respect.
Big up, the whole
of the Gaza family. Big up everybody.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man.
Manners and respect, yes, sir?
All right, blessings, man. Context matters.
Yes, so basically that is it, my people. You see me saying, and here more want to do. More want to drop on honest thoughts down into the comment section and what you see in the video. And basically we Busta Rhymes and Vybz Kartel, I say, especially concerning where Afrobeat is right now and where dancehall is. You see me say, yeah, and as well I say people, you don't know, consider to subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Also, give this video a like. Yeah man, just like up the video now because it really helps the YouTube algorithm. You see me say, also share up the content so that the content can reach the other individuals just like yourself. You see me say, but we don't know how we do it over here people. Peace, love, unity, bless up every day, every time. I'm out.